Alright guys, we're going to change this exhaust out, the stock exhaust. We put on the American Lifan Performance Exhaust. That's it right there. It's even got their logo on it. So it's gonna be sitting up here. It's a lot smaller compared to the other. I don't know. Probably be sitting about right there. But we'll see in just a moment. Alright, so the first bolts we're gonna take off. They're up in here. Let's see if I can get a light on them. There's one right there, one around the other side, and those are 12mm bolts. Next thing we need to probably get is gonna be this bolt down here. And let's see if I can show you. So the next bolt's gonna be this one here. Let's take that one off. And then up here, we've got this bolt right here we got to take off. That one right there. So, let's see. I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, so we can get this bolt off. It's an 8mm. It's a little bit tighter than them other ones, but it's still not not as tight as I think I would have had it. But I've got to figure out, I don't have the right wrench for a take the oxygen sensor out, the O2 sensor. But if we can find out where it plugs in at and unplug it, we shouldn't have no problem getting it out. We may have to take this whole side, this whole fairing off. I don't know if it don't look like it's split in the middle. Some of them are usually split right here. Yeah, it probably is. So I don't know if we're going to have to take this off. Some way we can snake this out. I think we're just going to take, I hate taking bearings off, but I think we're going to try to take that off. Just make everything a lot easier. You love when you're sitting right here. There's nowhere for anything to go, but the bolt's going to fall. Hidden spots like front of it. So we have to take all kinds of stuff apart just to get that. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to have to figure out what's going on up in here.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so I finally got this whole side off, and I'm going to show you this so maybe you won't have to. Maybe you can get another way. You reach up in here, because I couldn't figure out how it worked. You can pull that out, and you'll have to pull it out a pretty good bit. There it goes. And then it'll undo. That way you can get this off, and then you can take, something, get that off later. Across here. That's something you have to get used to taking off when you change spark plugs or anything else up in here. Geez, I have to get a bite with some of the fairings on it. Take the back one off here. I think that was the tightest bolt on here. Oh, it's got one in the back. So now I take this bolt out, even if it should fall. Alright. So it's out. Now we just gotta get this O2 sensor out. And the O2 sensor's out. So we'll put the first baffle in, try it. If we don't like it, we'll switch it out. Alright, so those two sensors hook back up with the factory exhaust. Alright, here's what it's going to look like with the exhaust on. Sorry about the audio quality. When I put the exhaust on, it was raining. I was trying to find something to do. Cold start. Thanks for watching.